Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you all. Class 12 यूनिट जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं दैट इज अल्कोहल्स, फिनॉल्स एंड ईथर्स। अल्कोहल्स हमने कंप्लीट किए, फिनॉल्स भी हमने कंप्लीट किए। आज का टॉपिक जो है दैट्स रिगार्डिंग ईथर्स। टॉपिक है ईथर्स। आज हम पहले इंट्रोडक्शन करेंगे। व्हाट आर ईथर्स? इंट्रोडक्शन। Ethers are the organic compounds which contain O linkage, that is COC linkage, are called as the ethers. So what are ethers? Or their general formula is R dash O dash R dash. So the general representation of the ethers is that is ROR. अगर हमें पहले सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करेंगे, these are the organic compounds which contain oxygen linkage. Or their general representation is ROR dash are called as the ethers, which contain oxygen linkage. Which contain oxygen linkage are called as ethers. Now in ethers their general representation is ROR dash. Now what is this R and R dash? Now this R and R dash, it may be the alkyl groups same or different, it may be aryl group same or different, or one may be an alkyl group and the another may be an aryl group, are called as ethers. So we have R dash R, where R and R dash may be same or different alkyl groups, or same or different aryl groups, or one may be an alkyl group and the other aryl, are called as ether. Okay, so we have ethers. Ethers are the organic compounds which contain the oxygen linkage. Their general representation is ROR dash, where R और ये R dash ये क्या हो सकते हैं? They may be the same or different alkyl groups. They may be same or different aryl groups, or one may be an alkyl group, another may be an aryl group, are called as ethers. Now we have the classification of ethers. तो second component जो है ethers का, that is classification of ethers. Classification of ethers. First classification जो है depending upon the R groups. They may be whether they are same or they are different on that basis. Ethers are of two types, that is we have the symmetrical ethers and we have the mixed ethers or unsymmetrical ethers. So we have symmetrical ethers and we have mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. Now what are symmetrical ethers? Symmetrical ethers वो ethers होते हैं जहाँ पर R and R dash they are same alkyl groups or they are same aryl groups, are called as the symmetrical ethers. For example अगर हमारे पास है symmetrical ether के example CH3OCH3, दोनों alkyl groups जो है they are same, so this is an example of a symmetrical ether. So symmetrical ethers are those ethers where R and R dash group they are same. They may be same alkyl groups or they may be same aryl groups. For example, C6H5O C6H5. So this is an example of a symmetrical ether. Symmetrical ethers are those ethers where R and R dash are same. Where R and R dash are same, they may be alkyl groups or they may be aryl groups. Where R and R dash are same, alkyl or aryl groups. For example, यही CH3O CH3 and इसी तरह से है C6H5O C6H5. These are the examples of the symmetrical ethers where we have the R and R dash group. They are same. They may be same alkyl groups or they may be same aryl groups. Whereas unsymmetrical ethers are those ethers which in which R and R dash group are not same. They may be different alkyl groups, they may be different aryl groups, and one may be alkyl and another may be aryl. Those are called as mixed ethers or those are called as unsymmetrical ethers. So we have unsymmetrical or mixed ethers. Number 2, unsymmetrical or mixed ethers, where R and R dash group are not same. For example, CH3O C2H5, यहाँ पर दो अल्काइल ग्रुप्स है लेकिन ये सेम नहीं है. So this is an example of an unsymmetrical ether or a mixed ether. Similarly, we have CH3O C6H5. यहाँ पर भी R and R dash same नहीं है. So this is an example of the unsymmetrical or mixed ether. So we have number first symmetrical. First classification of ethers is that they are classified into two important categories. We have the two important categories of ethers. Number first, symmetrical ethers where we have R and R dash group. They are same. They may be same alkyl groups or they may be same aryl groups. While as we have the unsymmetrical ether or mixed ethers where R and R dash groups are not same. Those are called as the mixed ethers. Number second, another classification, that is they are also classified as aliphatic ethers and aromatic ethers. They are also classified as aliphatic and number 2 aromatic ethers. Now what are aliphatic ethers? Aliphatic ethers. Aliphatic ethers are those ethers where we have R and R dash group. They are aliphatic in nature. They are alkyl groups, but those alkyl groups they may be same or they may be different. So aliphatic ethers may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. लेकिन aliphatic ethers होते क्या हैं? वो ethers होते हैं जहाँ पर R and R dash group जो है that is an alkyl group, that is aliphatic in nature. Those are aliphatic groups or those are alkyl groups. So they are the ethers in which R and R dash are alkyl groups, but they may be same or different, are called as aliphatic ethers. Examples of the aliphatic ethers are For example, we have CH3O CH3. इसी तरह से है CH3O C2H5. यहाँ पर आप देखो the R and R dash. Suppose we have the general representation of ethers, that's R O R dash. यहाँ पर आप देखो R और R dash के बदले क्या है, CH3 ग्रुप, CH3 ग्रुप. CH3 क्या है, अल्काइल ग्रुप को. सो the aliphatic ethers are the ethers. इसी तरह से दूसरे एग्जांपल that is the R O R dash. R के बदले CH3, R dash के बदले C2H5. So aliphatic ethers are those ethers where we have the R and R dash groups जो होते हैं, they are aliphatic in nature. They are alkyl groups. Those alkyl groups, they may be same or they may be different. Then we have number second, that is aromatic ethers. Aromatic ethers. Aromatic ethers are those ethers where R and R dash groups are aryl in nature. So simply, or we can also say that aromatic ethers जो होते हैं उनमें R और R dash group जो है, both are either alkyl aryl groups or one may be an alkyl and another may be an aryl group. Those are called as aromatic ethers. But aromatic ethers are further of two types. They are further of two types. Number first, aryl ethers. And number second, phenolic ethers. Phenolic ethers. Now what are aryl ethers? Aryl ethers are the ethers where R and R dash group are aryl in nature. Both are aryl, both are aromatic parts. For example, C6H5O, C6H5. This is an example of an aryl ether where R and R dash group, they are aryl in nature. They are aromatic parts. They are aryl groups. Those are called as aryl ethers. While as phenolic ethers are the ethers in which one group is alkyl and another is aryl, are called as the phenolic ethers. For example, C6H5OCH3. This is an example of a phenolic ether. Phenolic ethers are the ethers where we have one alkyl group and another we have the aryl group, are called as the phenolic ether. So this is regarding the, we have the, so अगर हम देखेंगे कि ये है एग्जाम्पल जो है aryl ether की, this is an example of the symmetrical ether, while as this is an example of the mixed ether को. So aromatic and aliphatic ethers जो है, they may be symmetrical or they may be unsymmetrical. So we have the classification of the ethers. Ethers are classified into aliphatic ethers, so symmetrical ethers, and unsymmetrical or mixed ethers. Symmetrical, उनमें R and R dash group, they may be same or different alkyl or aryl groups, while as mixed ethers are those where we have R and R dash group, they may be different alkyl or different aryl groups, or one may be alkyl and another aryl group. Now we have the second important classification of the ethers, that is these are also classified into the aliphatic ethers and the aromatic ethers. Aliphatic ethers are those where we have R and R dash, they are the same alkyl or different alkyl groups. Example, CH3O, CH3, CH3O, C2H5. Similarly, we have aromatic ethers. They are of two types, aryl ethers and phenolic ethers. Aryl ethers are those ethers where we have the R and R dash group, they are the aryl in nature, while as we have the phenolic ethers where we have R and R dash group, one is an alkyl group and another is an aryl group. This is regarding the classification of ethers. Now we have the nomenclature of ethers. Nomenclature. Nomenclature of ethers. We know that we have the two system of nomenclature of organic compounds. One is the common system, and another is the IUPAC system. कॉमन सिस्टम में हम इनको कैसे नाम देते हैं और IUPAC में इनको हम कैसे नाम देते हैं, किनको, ईथर्स को. नंबर फर्स्ट, द कॉमन सिस्टम. common system में हम उनको नाम दें. First the alkyl groups are named, then we add the word alkyl, or the aryl groups are named, and then we add the word ether. For example, we have R O R dash. सबसे पहले हम इन alkyl और aryl groups को नाम देंगे, then we add the word ether. They may be, if they are same, then we prefix di before the name of the alkyl or the aryl group. So we have the common system of nomenclature. First the alkyl or the aryl groups are named according to the alphabetic order. Then we add the word ether. So first the alkyl or and aryl groups are named according to alphabetic order. Then the word ether is added. For example, and for those symmetrical ethers, we prefix di before the name of the alkyl or the aryl group. For symmetrical ethers, symmetrical ethers, we prefix di before the name of the alkyl or the aryl group. For example, we take the examples where we give the common name to these ethers. Number first है CH3OCH2H5. First of all, we have to name the alkyl groups according to the, यहाँ पर जो है example, that's the mixed ether. यहाँ पर हम इनका नाम देंगे according to the alphabetic order. किनका alkyl groups का, then we add the word ether to it. It is ethyl, it is methyl. तो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा, that is ethyl methyl ether. So इसका नाम जो है common name, that is ethyl methyl ether. Similarly, we have C2H5O C6H5. इसका नाम है ethyl, इसका नाम है phenyl. So पहले E आएगा, उसके बाद P आएगा. तो इसका नाम जो है that is ethyl phenyl ether. So first alkyl or the aryl groups are named according to the alphabetic order, then we add the word ether. This is for mixed ether. Similarly, we have in case of the symmetrical ethers, we prefix di before the name of the alkyl group or aryl groups. For example, we have CH3OCH3. इसका नाम क्या है, ये मिथाइल है, ये भी मिथाइल है. कितने मिथाइल्स है, 2. So we prefix the word di before the name of the alkyl groups. So we have the name of this is that is dimethyl ether. इसी तरह से है that is C6H5O C6H5. It is phenyl. So it is diphenyl ether. This is the common name of the ethers. Now we have the IUPAC name of the ethers. IUPAC